Okay, the first question is tell us about yourself. Now I'm a UW student and my major is material engineering, and this is my second semester and I have been learning material for more than 5 years. In particular, my bachelor is metallurgical engineering, which is a separated part of material engineering, and I have been well equipped with basic knowledge and research method. For my personal experience, I have obtained a National Encouragement Scholarship with an average mark of distinction in my college. Additional, my final dissertation had been included into the school library as a reference material. I prefer to conduct either an effective individual work or teamwork, as I had several internship experience before which was a team project observing the structure of the alloy. The team members split the task as I suggested to keep in touch with each other and share the research information, and eventually we achieved a complete data of our project and I'm really interested in material research and development. And the second question is, can you please describe a time when you have used your technical competence to solve a problem which resulted in a positive or productive outcome? And after I graduated, I temporarily worked in a chemical industry company for several months. As I was allocated into the management department, the main task for me was to collect and classify the data. By using my academic knowledge, I separated the data into several categories such as alloy and organic material or new types of polymer. The data had been quickly organized and submitted to the superior officer after I had finished my task. The analysis of the data was based on my classification and was highly effective for researcher conducting particular research. It is important for each department to communicate their task and interact with other departments working efficiently and uniformly. And the third question is the position requires you to work in a small team with people from diverse background. Can you describe a time where you have worked in a team effectively? Well, during my internship in a chemical factory, we were asked to design a water purification device and analyzed whether it could be implemented. This project was required as a teamwork. Thus, we organized a team consisting of different background fellow members. The first meeting for conducting teamwork was to be familiar with each other and to distribute tasks to each person. But we had faced lots of problems during the meeting, as because of the different background, we have different opinions and could not reach an agreement. I suggested that we all members wrote down their particular project plan and the chosen material as alternative plan. Then I suggested that those selectable plans should be supported by a large amount of relevant material and data which could be accessibly utilized as our reference resource. We finalized one plan, but we got disagreement on how to allocate different parts, especially for the material selection. I advised that the person who comes up the plan take in charge of the design direction, and we other members help to collect useful data as supplementary to provide more probable draft plans or improvement advice. In the subsequent meetings, we were conducting efficiently of our project step by step in terms of our design scheme. The frequent communication and interaction between each other helped us successfully finishing the draft design. Our team achieved an approval for implementing our project plan. I realized the importance of social experience and communication skills which would influence the team combination. And the fourth question is our company is known for managing multiple projects in resolving a diverse range of problems. Can you give us an example of when you have worked to make a process better or more efficient? What did you do and what was the outcome? Personally, I'm full of enthusiasm to solve problems by using innovative ways. I used to think about the issues and analyze probable solutions, which tend to be a better one. As I was studying the university, with material students had laboratory courses in order to investigate the structure of mental material and their application. After I had been checking lots of relevant material and references, I knew that by adding different elements with different content into the alloy, the property of the alloy are completely different. Thus, I had conducted many experiments and achieved a considerable amounts of data, which was my basic principle to do the innovative research that could improve the property for those required project. I have been given the positive feedback from professor, and I'll obtain confidence to keep going the further research. The fifth question is, did you have any questions for us? Yeah, I have several questions. So the first one is, I know you have been working in that company for a few years with all the growth you have had. So could you briefly share your working experience for working here and what do you like most about working here? And another question is about the future plan of the company. In other words, what are the future operational improvements or potential growth areas that are going to be specialized? Thank you.